Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Here I teach basic concept behind any math problem and build strong math foundation for students. So in this video we will prove the algebraic identity a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let us draw a square of side a. Let's mark a point B here and remaining portion will be a minus b. Same for this side, mark a point B and remaining portion will be a minus b. Let's connect these points and make another small square. So we can tell from the diagram the area of this small square is a minus b whole square, which is what we have to find out. Okay, now we can see from the diagram we have two squares, one bigger square which is having side a and one small square having sides a minus b. So from the diagram we can say if we subtract this portion from bigger square we will get the area of this smaller square. Okay, now let's divide this area into small rectangle. This is rectangle 1 and this is rectangle 2. So a minus b whole square can be calculated from subtracting these two rectangles from big square. So we can write it as a square minus area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2. So a square minus area of rectangle 1 is, this side is a and this side is b. So area is a into b plus area of rectangle 2 is, this side is also a minus b. So the area will be b into a minus b, b into a minus b. Let's simplify this, a square minus ab plus b into a, which can be also written as ab, minus b into b will give us b square. Now let's open the brackets, a square minus ab minus ab plus b square. Now let's add like terms, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is how we can prove this identity. So that's it for the today's session. If you have any doubt regarding this session, you can ask me on comment section. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing it. Thank you. Difference.